So hello guys, today I will show you how I make this makeup, but before we will start I will just show you a sponsor of today's video. We will make a small unboxing. This kind of a year is so cold, November, and you want to treat you somehow, so I got the beautiful box from the brand Maiamina. It says be your own use. Isn't it pretty? It's a jewelry which I will unbox with you this time of the year when the Christmas is soon, but you are still thinking about purchasing presents for Christmas and you want something for yourself, maybe something pretty. This is a small box with several pieces in it. Pleasant. Brand is about self-authentication, about creation. If you're a creative person like I am, so this brand is for you, because I think that we can be our own use, we can make our own rules, we can make our own style and enjoy it. And I got 3 pieces from Maiamina. I will put all the links, of course. The first one, it's the earrings, the hoops of this form. Now it's, you know how fashionable now it is. You probably see that all the Instagrammers have it. This is how they look from all the sides. Let's try them. Oh my gosh. And this is called classic dome hoop earrings. How beautiful they are, like a pieces of gold. It's gold plated and I love how it looks. Everything from Maiamina comes in these small cute dust bags with their name. Second piece what I got is the necklace which suits to the earrings. It's silver color and gold color together. I will open the pendant. Oh, it's so cute. I just love how it looks. I love the quality. I'm grateful to the brand for that they gave me opportunity to show it to you guys. Look at this beautiful. It can be a present for you or your loved. I need to try it, definitely. This is how it looks. Just very pretty, and I love that it's like a gold and silver hard metal, so it suits to both golden and silver. Third piece which I got, it's also one more earrings, and those are called chubby hoops. They are like classical but with more cut from different sides, and I think they also will suit to the necklace. This small thing here is so soft, so it doesn't hurt the ears at all. It sits very tight, so you be sure that you will not lose them. This I like. So this is the third one piece, and this earrings also looks good with the necklace. I think that it's just amazing combo. And now in November Maiamina has a 25% discount for the whole site, so just go and have a look. It's also free shipping. It's a premium silver material, very skin friendly and non-allergic. So let's start with my makeup. It's so gray and I tried to make the light here as much as I could. Hopefully you can see it's not so yellow. I've made some coffee. It's a second cup today because I felt not tired, but I don't know, didn't wake up. So I already made my brows. I didn't color them, but I made lamination. This I bought recently. This is Elf Wax Brow Lift, and it looks like that. And then I have bought also a stick for it. You can see all the eyebrows, they are like they watching up. I already put some of it. I don't know if it's right, but I usually start with concealer under eyes. This is from Yves Saint Laurent. The number is, it says 40WD and 3. It's like a beige, not very light, but it suits my skin color. Take this on also because it's quite blue there, and I will put a little bit on that side because I had my old tattoo which is I'm planning to take away. Now it became gray. I made it 2014 or 15, long time ago. We will take a sponge and I just put it inside like I trick on the skin. Probably I will take a lighter one because Chanel foundation is more light. And this one from Shiseido is more thick, but today I feel like more lighter. Now I have in two colors, B20 and B30. 20 is a little bit lighter and 30 is a little bit darker, but this is almost like I almost have nothing, so I will take a bit darker. I put it with my fingers. I don't know, I used some like sponges and eggs before, but I realized that fingers make it more like natural mostly. It doesn't have any shimmer. I don't like foundation with shimmer. I think it doesn't suit me. It's very matte. So this is basically my foundation. You can see how smooth is the face, and now while I had it on my face, it's just been a few seconds and it's dried. I don't like when the face looks fat or too shiny, like I've been sweating. So for me, I like this effect. I start with the color of my eyebrows. Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow definer, brow definer, and I have a color Auburn. I just make a very straight line. I don't put a lot. I don't like when eyebrows look not natural, but I like to have a straight line, like here. And then I add some color here. And then on this side, put a little bit. So my eyebrows will make the same from that side. This is how I make them a little bit more vivid. Now I add more this e.l.f. brow lift. Now I showed you how it looks. It's like a gel. Put it on the eyebrows like that. And here. It holds so good. If you have longer brows, it will hold you perfectly. I like when they are but more bushy than they are, you know. I can do like that even. And like that. I can put them up so they hold really, really good. You can see the result. If you can see the result now. I've got a package yesterday from Victoria Beckham. Just show you how it looks. I have two things here. This is the eyeshadow and their famous Kajal liner. It's in the color of cacao, like a pen from one side, and another side is this, like a brush for the smoky eyes. Oof, look. I will make smoky eyes today. I put some of this liner on the top. Oh, it's so easy to apply. When I saw the video, I thought that it's just, you just touch it and it's applied so easy. And I like that it's absolutely gorgeous. You can make a form of your eyes, which one you want. And then down also, I will try a little bit. Then we'll make another eye. And while it's not getting dry, I will, of course, wait, you see how easy is it? I will try to sponge it with a little bit with this side. So we will make some like a very smoky effect over. Ooh, I can already see that it's amazing. You can already see how smoky it is. I think I need to add something here. Exactly where is my eyelashes. So how does it look? This is just amazing how it works. You can make it so deep, smooth color. So I'm very happy with this purchase. can recommend you. I have a Saint Laurent mascara. It's a volume mascara, which I usually take because I don't actually need to extend the lengths of the lashes. I have them quite long, but the volume is always good. They give a volume to the eye also, so your eyes look bigger. Oof, need to drink some. But I will add some other eyeshadows, which I bought. This one is by Redo. Try to focus it for you. The color is 21N, golden shadows. I will take this one, which I put under the eyebrows for shimmering effect, and in here, in this side of the eye, inner corner. Very beautiful glow to the eye. I've been viewing several of the products from Byredo, also like sticks. Then I will use the second one also because it's more shimmering here. So my eyes will look more natural. Another thing that I bought from Victoria Beckham is the color is mirror, like gray. Here I will put. So we will add some shine. Oh, yeah, beautiful. I usually put some also inside of the eye. That was too much. Here in this corner. So you have some effect that your eyes are more shiny. And I also have a pencil, which is from Avon. It's very old. It's like white light. I also put it sometimes in here in this. So it makes your eyes more, how to say, open. Sometimes I put it here also. Here and here. Now it has almost like New Year party makeup. It's time to put some bronzer. I have a bronzer from Estee Lauder. You see how much I use it. It's in color 4 deep. I put not here, but little bit higher. Now I put, so my face will have some volume. It will not be so flat. And then I put on that part, the forehead, because my face is such, I have a bigger forehead than lips area, so I make the forehead smaller. And here I can make little, showing the line of the neck, but I don't make an accent there. Mostly I take away some volume from here, from the upper side of the face. And then I maybe need another sponge, but I use the same brush. I squeeze it here, take some, put on the nose like that, because I want to make it looking slimmer. Not so wide, but just a bit, but it has a good effect. And on the downside, so it's a little bit shorter. So you can see approximately how it looks. I don't know if I'm focusing all the time. I like the effect with a bronzer. Then I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush in the color Cocktail Party. It's actually both blush and the sculptor. Sometimes I want to have some more pinkish side and sometimes brownish. Today I'm in the mood for the pink. I also put a little bit only here in the middle of the cheek. You know, if I want to have some shimmering in my face, I can do like that. I have this also palette, Isadora. It's actually a very nice palette. You see I've broken. It's the second one, mine, which I have. It has this light, which is quite light. I don't know if you can focus. And I can put it here in my cheeks, just a bit. Then here, here, and here. Also, I have a pencil from Isadora. It makes the eye a little bit bigger. I put it from inside. It's like a beige color. It's Magic Powder eyeshadow pencil. The color is 30, Vanilla Cream. And I put it inside of my eye. So, the last thing that I need to do is the lipstick. This color is just amazing, which I will use on my lips. The lip gloss is called All I Am. I bought it in our shopping mall Nordiska Kompaniet. I need to say that it holds very long, like I need to renew it maybe once during a day. So the pencil is from Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk Medium. As you know, Charlotte Tilbury, they have 3 different Pillow Talks colors. Mine is medium, which is a little bit darker than my natural lip color. Then I will use this beautiful gloss. I will tell you the color. It's called Berry Boost, because they have very beautiful natural colors. I don't know, natural, but cherry color. You can see it's more pinky. No, it's not pinky, it's more like red color, but still very natural. For me, definitely this color is the best. I actually have nails today, also this natural color. Here I can show you another lightning, how the eyes looks. I put the camera more to the window so you can see better the finish of my makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not still subscribed to my Instagram, please subscribe there for more fashion posts. And I wish you a very good day. See you other time. Bye bye.